welcome in. If you are just joining, welcome in. We are starting the lesson, the class shortly. We are starting shortly. We are starting shortly. I'm just trying to ensure everything is set before we start. Should in case during the lesson, if you stop hearing me at any point in time, kindly call my attention using the chat box. Okay, I can always see the chat box, or let me say we're going to check it time to time. So always call my attention, please. I don't like this. Are you guys hearing some background noise from that side, or it's just me that I'm hearing it? Because I don't like background noise at all. Okay, welcome everyone. Yes, I think we can start now. We have a good number of members now. We can start. Michael, welcome. I can see you. IK, I can see you. Femi, I can see you. Can you all comment where you are watching from? If you are watching this live, you can see me, you can see my screen, you can hear my voice. Kindly comment with where you are watching from. You can just comment with your state if you are in Nigeria, but if you're outside Nigeria, you can comment with your country. Okay, kindly comment where you are chatting from. As I wait for your comments, I'll just proceed. Okay, so the purpose of this video is to show you all a very, very simple and yet effective, trading strategy. It's very simple, but it's very effective. Okay. Michael, you are watching this live. You can see me, you can hear, you can see my. Okay, Ubiora Phillips, I can see you, you are watching. Very simple strategy that you can actually add to your trading strategy arsenals. Very easy to use. Okay, I can see you, James. I can see you. Welcome from Abuja. I can see you, Obiora Phillips from Port Harcourt. I can see you, IK, also from Port Harcourt. Okay, welcome in everyone. So now, this strategy is very, very easy to use. You don't really need to stress yourself a lot, provided that you have understood some basics, break of structure, supply and demand, and all of that. Okay, once you have already known how to use all those, then this strategy is good for you. But if you don't know BOS, you don't know change of character, you don't know market structure, you don't know liquidity, you don't know all those things, then you may have a little challenge using it. But that's not a problem. You can just send me a DM. I will drop my I'll pin my phone number, my WhatsApp number on the live, so you can reach out to me, so I'll put you through. Well, basically this live stream, this class is not a crash course, so I will not be going into those stuffs. I'll just go through how to trade straight up. So if you have a bit of problem following up, that means maybe you have issue with that means you have issue with the basics, so you should try and fix that up first. Alright, so let's proceed. Now all you will need for this strategy is break of structure. One. Now what's the purpose of break of structure? Break of structure just tell you the direction of the markets. Break of structure tells you the direction of the market. So if you have break of structure to the upside, it simply tell you that market is moving towards the upside. So even though you have a pullback, that means you have price moving towards the downside, it's just going to be for a while, then it will continue going up again. That is what break of structure does. And if the break of structure is to the downside, it's just telling you that price is on a downtrend, and even though price begins to go up, it's just going to go up for a while, it's still going to go down to continue its downward movement. That's all break of structure is all about. Then we have another concept which is called change of character. Okay, let me type break of structure out, but I believe everyone watching this should know what break of structure is, but let me just type it out. Okay, so this is break of structure. Then we have change of character. So now change of character is the one that tells you if a current trend has just ended. Let's say we have been having BOS to the downside, then we have a change of character. So a change of character will definitely be to the upside, and that shows you that we are now switching trend from downtrend to uptrend. So you need to know these two things, BOS and change of character, very very important. Then you need to know demand and supply. So once you have a deep understanding of demand and supply, then you'll be able to know where it's possible for price to take a turn. Okay, probably price has been going down, but you know that the last break of structure we had is to the upside, and this price going down is just going to be for a while. Definitely price is going to reverse again and begin to go up. So demand and supply now is going to help you to know where probably price is going to reverse and start to go up. And on the other side, if price is going down, you have seen the break of structure, and that has told you that basically we are having a downtrend. So you want to know where there's possibility of price reversing, even though when it begins to go up, you want to catch it when it begins to go up, then catch that reversal back. So you use demand and supply to get all the stuff. Then the next thing you need to know is liquidity. Okay, you need to know liquidity. Sorry, I'm not going to be doing a crash course of all these concepts. If you don't understand them, you can make your own research about them, or you can contact me, then I'll put you through. So we have liquidity. So you need to understand the use of liquidity. So once you know all these three things, then you can use the strategy. And above all, you need a strong mind, because let me give you a very fast psychology class.